You're watching and grab your hair. He started grabbing mommy's hair.
Why he grab your hair?
No. Those hiccups are gonna make somebody mad, huh? Don't hiccups make you mad? Hey, Miss Mackenzie, can you back up, please? You're putting a shadow on Bubba's face. Thank you. Can you go get your dramas on, please?
I want someone help me. There's a bug in my round cat.
Hey there. Hiccups are making somebody mad. They're making somebody mad.